Good morning. Look at our view. Stunning. So we stayed here. And right next to here. So when we opened up the van door, this is what we got to see. Also, there wasn't cars going around all night. And it's beautiful. It's going to be a nice sunny day. Just leave those clouds to go. Nice. Good morning, boys and girls. Well, I would have said good morning already at our spot that we stayed at last night. But now we are on a walk to go and see a waterfall through the woodlands. It says only 8 minutes and you get to the waterfall, and the waterfall goes all the way down the mountain. Us. Hello. Good morning. Oh, welcome to Longleat. Okay, can you hear it already? Can you? I'll see you at the waterfall. Can do a funicular down, like we did yesterday, but we're not going to do that today. I mean, what a setup. Imagine having dinner here, and you can't see it from here, but just around that corner over there is a waterfall. Wow. All set up for a giant game of Skittles. They're easy to hold, they're nice. So much better than a bowling ball. You do one, then I do one. Oh! My turn. Let me see if I can hit your ball. You know I'm not good at this.
You're supposed to clear the pins out the way, but it's fine.
Why are you leaving me with the heavy one?
They're both heavy.
Oh God! Nah, in the gutter.
Shocking.
In the gutter.
Oh no, it's covered. Oh.
Oh wait, I get a rerun.
You can use these balls. Oh, covering the camera, it's alright. Terrible.
There's one more small ball for you when I'm done.
It's a bit bigger there. I
Okay.
keep covering the camera with my fucking finger.
Ready, steady. Underlay! Oh, wrong side! Not the ones behind. Okay, here's a big one. How do you do it?
Underarm.
It's so awkward.
Yeah, like that.
Come on! Joking! Can you go get one and finish? Oh, he's going small ball for the speed. Hey! Oh! That ball is so heavy. Nope. Oh, lucky! No! Horrible! Oh, you lucky fish! And we are in a new location. We are here to see a gorge. And we've just come back from the waterfall that was by the hotel. I would give that a strong 9 out of 10. The only 1 point marked down was nowhere online said that you had to pay for it, and we had to pay for it. We had to pay 15 CHTs, 15 francs, Swiss francs, which is average. If you think about it, it's like 7.50 each per person, but if you're not being told you pay for it, that's a bit annoying. The same with we literally came in just before 12, and if you come in before 12 it's 8 francs, and after 12 it's 4 francs. I know, ridiculous. And we weren't told that you had to pay for either, so that's annoying, but let's hope that it's worth it. Never mind, that's just for the parking. We still got to pay entry. Do we have discount for this?
Yes.
But we get discounts. I forgot to say that if you are staying, when we stayed in Interlaken, and on a campsite, you get these tourist visitor cards, and they give you discounts for a lot of places as well as free buses, which is great. So they're all different ranges of discounts, but even where we went yesterday was 17% off. And today, I think, is it 20% off this one?
15 or 20.
Yeah, 15 or 20 off this one. So that's a great saving, although we've just spent that on parking. So, right. We'll see you at the gorge. Actually, look up there. Look at the glacier melting. Nick and I have been trying to figure out how this place has so much water up in the mountains, because there's waterfalls everywhere. Everywhere you turn, there is a waterfall, as well as all the streams are running with so much pressure, and the waterfalls are running with so much pressure, and we think it's the glaciers that are melting at the very top, but we cannot confirm. I'll let you know after some googling. Enjoy the landscape, and we'll see you in the gorge. What an entrance. And up to the gorge we go. It all starts up. just be around the corner, yeah. Down there. The absolute volume of water and the speed it's moving. Wow. Oh, it's cold. I guess this is just the end, walking down. Yeah. Oh. Rate our experience. Out of 10, what would you give it?
8, 9-ish.
I would give it an 8, and I think it's because we experienced that other one that had the 10 different steps already, which was very similar, but still. It's so similar, except you're walking alongside it opposed from...
This is a gorge, that was a cave.
I think it's quite similar, to be honest. I would give it an 8, which is still really high for my ranking.
Could have been nice.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Switzerland is killing us. If Switzerland wasn't so expensive, I think more people would come here. It just is pricey. But it is beautiful and the views are exceptional. I cannot believe there's so much greenery and waterfalls, and it looks like you're in a postcard. Look at that. Literally looks like we are in the middle of a postcard. Pictures from Pinterest. The lakes are so blue. I was saying to Nick, I swear they've dyed the lakes because there's no way you get turquoise water like that everywhere. It's really, really, really picturesque. This is pricey, but we are loving our time, yeah. And now we're going to another gorge, aren't we, Boo?
Yep.
What's its name? Ari Gorge. Oh yeah, that's a AARE one. Ari Gorge. And then I can give a proper comparison, gorge for gorge. Which one should you go to? Which one should you miss, or do you need to go to both? All right. We will see you at the next gorge. Toodaloo for now. Cute little lunch spots. Just on the other side of the waterfall. Very cute. And in we go. Oh, fuck. Really wet.
If you are planning on doing the full gorge walk like we did, it does just get to another dead end or entrance and you have to turn around and make the same path back.
We've just finished the Air Gorge and now we're going to rate it. Firstly, this one was actually a proper gorge, which is I appreciate. The last one was not a gorge, the last one was more of a waterfall. But nice views, nice walking points, different features along the walk. What are we rating it?
6.
6? You think it's worse?
Yeah.
I thought it had quite nice features, but I was vibing with a 7.
The only thing that it beats for us and I wanted to cost.
Yeah, so it was a lot cheaper.
It's too busy.
And there wasn't like any distinct big like waterfall or anything. It was really, really, really busy. This is the most busy area we've been through. Yeah, you're walking in a valley.
But you go early in the morning, it'll be better. Because the path isn't wide
Congested.
enough for 2 people. You spend most of the time trying to squeeze past people.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah. Well, still nice and nice to do, and it was a proper gorge. And now we're going to do a 3-hour loop of Swiss roads. So wish me luck. 2.5 hours, and I'm going to be sick because I get travel sick and Nick likes swirly fast roads. So bless us. If you don't see me again, it was nice knowing you. Bye.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, those little squiggles are roads, which we did in fact drive.
Now, for someone that does not do well in a car, I get car sick very, very easily and I have to close my eyes and regrade. It's horrible. I hate it. I actually loved this. It was amazing. The views, the roads, just there were so many features. The view was so breathtaking that it kept my eyes open and I didn't feel car sick at all. I can't describe it. It was amazing. What an incredible experience. I actually opted to want to do this again, to be honest. That's how much I loved it. 10 out of 10. And then the waterfall that follows. Cool. This is campground for the night. It's called Seafield Park. I cannot describe to you. This is elite version of campgrounds. The lake is just there. There's a big open area for toilets and showers and washing bay in the middle. There's families playing everywhere, people on their bicycles. There's an extra pool area that you can pay a little extra for, and a gym. There's the pool area. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Elite campground. I'm so impressed. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm a happy camper. Tennis courts, lakes. What's this? Mini golf. What's that?
No, that's a play park.
Oh, play park.
Mini golf's up there.
Mini golf up there. Park area. Elite. I would love to spend some time here with my family. Absolutely banging. Right. A new day, a new lake. What do we rate this one? Another swan. Hello, friend. Hello. They're really attracted to me in Switzerland, aren't they? It's the second one that's come to me. Yeah, you're beautiful. Oh, the little duck legs. Not as picturesque, Nick, I'm sorry.
I know why, because there's clouds.
So you think it would be blue if it wasn't?
See the blueness.
We'll have to look in the morning then. Oh my goodness, I am the bird whisperer. I just stand and they come. Okay, bye friends. For those that don't know Nick and I, we have an infamous holiday game of mini golf. We are highly competitive with one another, and mini golf is our chosen sport. Shall we play, or shall this remain a happy holiday?
We spent the rest of our evening roaming around enjoying the atmosphere before we made our way back to some much needed rest. Once again, another epic day in Switzerland. We see you very soon for our last day exploring the exquisite Switzerland before we head on out to Germany. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Toodaloo for now!